Hi everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of PatPat and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.